As the new school year is upon us, much work is being done to meet the varying needs of students and teachers as they return to the classrooms in only a matter of days. Works Minister Alfred Sears is pleased with the collaboration of stakeholders.
I want to thank the technical officers in the Ministry of Works who have been guided by the mandate from the Prime Minister and the mandate from the Minister of Education in the design and in the scoping. Focus has been on issues such as ventilation, as we see this wonderful pavilion under which we're standing, so that the teachers and students can have not only the in-class learning environment, but also the natural environment. Also, the classrooms themselves have been designed to facilitate ventilation and comfort as the students come back after having been out of school for 2 years. Also, issues such as disability to ensure accessibility by students and teachers in wheelchair. So there have been some guiding principles under the mandate of the Prime Minister, and we're grateful to have such competent contractors to actually execute the work in the short period of time.
For Ed Talk, I'm Adama Williams.